Hello everyone, my name is Vishwanathan. I came from Gujarat and joined kaashivinfotech for learning dotnet and fullstack development with React. And today's topic sir taught us regarding earlier stage from starting from C language, how it's going through from C to C++, how it differs, then the successor of that C++ and everything regarding Java till .NET, and how it's work uh, from starting, how it's going to validate regarding the JavaScript, how it's work from client side language to server side and database. Everything are told us. Regarding JavaScript, earlier it was like that. If we just search one username of anything we give, it will goes till database, and from there it will show us the result that it will valid or not. But after JavaScript came, inside the client side server only we get to know the error, what we have done wrong or right. So JavaScript is all about validation that we learned today. Thank you, sir.